Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's CeeJay. Today I wanted to do kind of like an impromptu video. I actually just ran out to Ulta and got some Madison Reed hair colors, and I thought I would kind of like share my hair transformation with you. I am a big fan of the Madison Reed hair color at home system, and I've used their colors before. But the last time I dyed my hair, I went back to another like drugstore box dye kit, and I regretted it. As soon as I went back to it, it just didn't leave my hair with the shine that the Madison Reed does, and it left me with a lot of split ends. So I'm going back to Madison Reed, and I actually emailed them. They're very helpful. I emailed them some pictures of myself and told them the color that I really wanted to achieve with my hair, and they actually had a colorist answer me within like 24 hours. It was the next day, and she recommended that I would use a mixture of two dyes. I picked up the Cantania brown, which is a dark mahogany brown, and a box of the Sardinia red, which is a medium golden red. And I have a lot of red in my hair just naturally, and I wanted to have like a kind of golden red brownish effect to my hair. So this is like my before. You can see I haven't washed my hair. This I look terrible. I haven't washed my hair in a couple days because I would recommend that if you're going to dye your hair and you know you're going to dye your hair, to let your hair be like in second day hair or third day hair. This is third day hair. I've been coloring my hair for several times. I used to do my mom's hair, and she's a hairdresser, and she kind of taught me how to color her hair to help her out. And she always recommended dyeing your hair with kind of like on a dirty scalp, you know, so because I think she said that the natural oils in your hair can kind of protect it from being damaged. So that's why my hair kind of looks the way it does. It looks a little shiny because it is third day hair. This is the color that I achieved from the other box kit, and you can see it's very brassy, and I hope you can pick up that I do have some damage. I do have some split ends. So like I said, I really regret not sticking with the Madison Reed. I was impulsive one day and just picked up a box while I was in the drugstore. I mean, I regret it, but I'm back to the Madison Reed that I love. I have going to show you what the kits come with. I got mine at Ulta because I couldn't... I was impatient and I just wanted to buy it today, but you can order it at Ulta. It's $25 a kit, and you can order it on the Madison Reed website, and I think they're $19.99, so I probably would have saved myself some money if I would have ordered it online through Madison Reed, but I was just, like I said, impatient, and I ran up to my Ulta, and they had both of these colors in stock, so that kind of worked out good for me. It comes with, it's like a nice kit. It is a little, you know, pricier than the at-home kits at the drugstore, but the quality is so much like, I would say it's just as good as my salon color. I have had my hair done at the salon, and it comes out as shiny and healthy looking. It comes with a cap, which is really nice, a nice quality cap. It comes with 2 pair of gloves, and you have your developer bottle. It also comes with a nice sample size of the conditioner and the shampoo. I really enjoy both of these. That you can buy these online at Ulta and at the Madison Reed website, and these are great quality. A little bit pricey, but they're very nice shampoos and conditioners. I like these a lot, and they give you a big enough sample so I can get like 2 or 3 uses out of these sample sizes. So I really do enjoy their shampoo and conditioner. And it also comes with a barrier cream. This is their barrier cream, and This is to put like on the areas of your face where you don't want to get any dye on your skin. And I've used this before and it works really well, but I would recommend, this is just me, I found that I have the most stubborn gray here along my face, along my hairline. That's where I have the most gray and the most stubborn gray. So I skipped the barrier part because I think if I get the barrier cream on any too close to where my grays are, it acts as a barrier. So I skipped this part, and I do get a little bit of dye on my skin, and it goes away after you wash your hair a couple times. It's more important for me to get that gray covered. So that's just my little tip myself. And it also has real nice wipes that do help remove of the dye. So you get really nice quality. It's $20 at Madison Reed, $25 at Ulta, but it's really nice quality items, and the quality of the products are just top notch. And then this is the actual color, and this one, it comes in a squeeze tube, and you pour this, you squeeze this into the developer bottle. So since this is the first time I ever mixed two, the colorist emailed me and she said to use half of each tube into one bottle. She said I can save the unused portion of the color and then use and then in the other box, the unopened developer for my, when I want to do my hair again. So I'm paying, what, $50 this month, and when I do my hair in 6 weeks from now, I will have everything ready for me. I'll still have my leftover color, and I'll have an unopened developer. So I think that will be, hopefully I like it. I hope I like this hair transformation. I've never tried these color before. I used, last time I used the, I think it was called Trista Red, which is a real deep red, and I loved that color. I'm just looking for a change, something different. So this is a combination of two colors. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like before. I'm not going to bring you up into my bathroom to show you how I do it. There's plenty of videos online that you can watch to see how to dye your own hair. And I'm sure a lot of you have experience of doing your own hair, your own color at home. But I wanted to tell you about this product, how much I love it, and I wanted to show you my hair transformation. And I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll talk a little bit more about why I like the product so much. So like I said, this was just an impromptu video. I hope it's helpful, because actually when I got the recommendations from the colorist in my email, I couldn't really find any videos with the specific colors that she recommended. So when I make this video, I'm going to tag the Sardinia red and the brown color, so that maybe it might help someone who might want to, like, play with these colors a little bit. So I'll be back as soon as my hair is all dyed and you can see the results. Let me show you the grays up close and personal. You can see my gray hair in here. I don't have too much gray. In fact, I wish if my hair was really gray, I would just go blonde. But so I'll come back to you and show you what it looks like when it's all done. Bye, guys. I'm back with the end results of my hair transformation with the Madison Reed, and I hope you can see the difference in the color. I really do like the color. It's exactly what I was looking for. I think it was a great match. It has the brown base with the golden red undertones, and I really like it. Give you up close shot. It's much shinier and just like a richer, deeper color, and I'm really happy with it. You can see how it covered my grays real well around my hairline. And it's really nice to work with. It has no ammonia, and so it doesn't smell. It has no parabens. It's just packed with good products like keratin and argan oil. So I really feel like this is very similar to Salon Results, and I couldn't be happier with it. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye, everyone.